Are you tired of being stuck with a misspelled Discord category and losing your place in the server? Learn to rename any category in under 2 minutes. Open Discord, go to your server, right-click the category, edit its name, save. Then repeat these steps to rename any category. Open Discord. Then head over to the server that has the category you want to rename. Now, on the left side of the screen, find the category name and right-click it. In the drop-down that appears, choose Edit Category. In the Category Name box, type in your new name. Then just click Save Changes to apply it. To another category, right-click the category name on the left side of your screen. Pick Edit Category from the menu once more. Type your updated name into the Category Name box. And click Save Changes. That's all it takes. Hope that helps. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.